If you want to sit behind a desk doing a lot of calculations, go to mechanical.
Yeah.
Or you can go into mechanical and end up in a manufacturing engineering role and wish you were in manufacturing so that you understood all the manufacturing processes and what they're going to really have you doing a manufacturing role. So.
What is special about this machine in particular? I guess the EC400.
Well, the EC400 is just the model number. It's a horizontal machine, which means the spindle axis is horizontal. So instead of dropping down on the tool like you see on a drill press or a vertical mill, the tool's coming in from the side. And these machines were designed like that for chip removal. So the chips fall away from the part as they're machining instead of building up around the part. So you don't get chips going back through the cut affecting your surface finish. Here at the university we use high-speed steel cutting tools and we use carbide cutting tools. Changing material types, you got to clean your machines.
Okay.
It's chip control. I don't want to... If I want to recycle my chips, I can't sell back a mixture of mixed metal chips. No mixed metal, no recycler wants to do that.
Okay.
So that's one thing. But within the machine itself, you've got to make sure that you're keeping all the way lube full so that it can lubricate itself. And then most machines kind of recommend in a production environment at least an annual preventative maintenance cycle. And so they're going to go in and take all of the way covers off and clean up all the screws, and then they're going to go in and check to make sure that over the limits of the travel in any given axis that it's still within the range, and tighten up nuts where they need to be to keep it so it's getting the precision that you want and repeatability you want. But
because also you said this one's a 4-axis. There are 5-axis.
There are 5-axis CNC mills. We don't have any on campus. They're really expensive.
What is that 5th axis you get anyway?
Well, on a 5-axis machine, you get one of 2 configurations. One configuration uses a trunnion system. And so what that means is that I've got a work table that rotates like this, and then another rotary table on top of it. So I can rotate up here and I can rotate around like that. Okay, so I've got 4-axis this way and the 5th axis. So I had 2 rotary axes to the machine. The other 5th axis type is called a nutating system. And for no better, I'll use my finger. The tool can actually pivot around while my workpiece stays here. I can bring my tool around in different angular orientations to the workpiece. I'm going to press it. It's going to change the palette. And then it's going to get started on the program.